Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you're getting a blue screen on your computer that says automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly, then do not need to worry because I will be covering 5 solutions that you need to apply, and I'm very sure any one of them will surely fix your problem. So make sure that you do not skip any part because this is the only video that will be fixing your problem and you do not need to watch any other video. All right, so let's move with the first solution. On your Windows 11 or 10, the blue screen that you're getting, here you will be getting an advanced option. So you need to click on it, and then here you will be getting an option of choose an option. Here you have to click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. And here the very first solution that I would recommend you, that try going with the startup repair. Click on startup repair, follow the instructions and see that if this fixes the problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to come back again to the same screen and you need to click here on uninstall update. Click on it, then click on uninstall latest quality update. Once you click on it, you will be getting an option of uninstall quality update. Click on it again and it will be uninstalling the latest update that has been installed on your computer. And after that, check back if the issue has been resolved or not. If not, then you have to come back again to this page. Again, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, and here you will be getting another option of system restore. So if you have already created any kind of restore point to the previous date where your computer was working absolutely fine, so you can click on it. And I have not created any restore points, but if you have already created, then you will be getting some date with the restore point time and name. Click on it, then click on next, and the system will be restoring it to the previous point when the computer was working fine. So try this solution, and if this worked for you, it's good. And still if you have the issues, then again you have to click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options, then click on startup settings. So now here you have to click on restart, and now here it will give you another blue screen and it says that which option you want to choose. So we want to go with enable safe mode, and you can see that it's on number 4. So you have to tap or click number 4 from your keyboard, and now the computer will be restarting in the safe mode. So you will be getting a different kind of a screen now because it's coming in the safe mode. Once you come up here, you have to click on the search box of your Windows 10 or 11 and type here clean mgr. The disk cleaner box will be coming up. Here you have to check all the boxes and then click on OK. Then click on delete files and wait until this has been completed. Once it's been done, you have to click again on the search box, type cmd. On command prompt, you have to right click and choose run as administrator. The black window will be coming up. Here you have to type a command that will be sfc space /scan now. Hit enter. And now this will be scanning all kind of your system file to detect any kind of integrity violation or infection. So you have to wait until this is 100% completed. Once it's been 100% completed, you will see it says Windows Resource Protection found correct file and successfully repaired them. It's been completely repaired. So now what we have to do, we have to close it and restart the PC again in the normal mode. So just restart it and check back again if the problem has been fixed. Now in case if you are still getting the same problem, then what you have to do, again click on advanced option, come to troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and here you have to choose command prompt. Click on it, the black window will be coming up. Now here we have to run few commands, and the first one will be boot rec space /fix mbr. Hit enter. And next command will be boot rec space /fix boot. If you get the message access is denied, no problem, you can move with the next command, that is boot rec space / rebuild, rebuild. Hit enter. And then you need to finally again restart the computer and check that if the problem has been fixed. And still if the problem issues are there, then finally you have to reset your PC. So again come to this option, click on troubleshoot and choose the option of reset this PC. Now do not need to worry because you won't be losing all of your file. So once you click on reset this PC, you have to go with the option keep my files. And then you have to click on local reinstall. So once you click on it, it will be resetting your PC and all your software and local application, everything will be remaining on your computer. Even your personal files, pictures and data will be also remaining. After doing this, I'm very sure that your problem will be surely fixed. So these are the 5 solutions that will be surely giving you the solution to get rid of the problem of automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully this solution will work for you. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe. And still if you have the issues, then let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.